Okay, today what we have is we are performing the first paintball drive-by. We have truck drive-by, and then we are going to shoot at target over here, and target will shoot back. Okay, there is target. First little truck drive-by in history. It has been done. Mini truck drive-by. Mission mini truck drive-by is a success. Take that back, mini truck drive-by. It's still a work in progress.
We are waiting for the success for this right here.
What?
Yeah, the boss.
He's out! Mission mini truck drive-by is a success. He's out of ammo. Oh my god. Y'all got lit up on the inside.
Holy crap. I was like, what just went by my ear? I was like, oh my god. What? I was like, what did I get myself into?
I just seen him get out. His mask was painted. Let's see the mask.
This is on the first run. Like you hit me in the mouth.
First round of Mission Mini Truck Drive-By.
You killed the guy.
Let me see.
Headshot.
Did you video?
Yeah.
I'll shoot that back window.
And then here's all the target areas. Got hit here. Another one over there. Got another one here. Got hit a couple times along the side. Another one here. Got hit back here. And then one went by Mark's head. We got hit a couple times in the back here, along here. And then pretty much it.